Hey everyone, welcome to The Victorious Mama. We are packing up and getting ready for our next stay at the Great Wolf Lodge in Colorado Springs. We're going again for Thanksgiving this year and we are so excited. If you missed our travel vlog from last Thanksgiving, I'll have it linked below so you can check it out. And stay tuned for this year's vlog, coming soon. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what we're bringing for our one-night stay. Oh, and before we jump in, if you want a printable Great Wolf Lodge packing checklist, I made one for you. Just head to the blog post that's linked in the description of this video and you can sign up within that post to get your free PDF packing list. This trip, it'll just be my husband and me with our 2-year-old daughter, since we don't have our son for this holiday. Our main plans for this quick trip will be to enjoy the water park, have our Thanksgiving dinner at the Loose Moose Family Kitchen, and relax in our room. We may also try catching one of their free toddler-friendly activities at some point, but we'll see. So today I'm packing according to our plans for this stay. I also encourage you to pack accordingly based on the length of your stay and the activities you and your family plan on doing while you're there. If you or your kiddos want to do the ropes course or the climbing wall, make sure to bring closed-toe shoes. They are required for those activities, and I also recommend comfy athletic wear. We aren't doing those activities this time, so you won't necessarily see those things as I share with you what we're packing, but I did want to mention that for you to keep in mind. A few things that you do not need to pack are pool towels and life jackets. They do provide these at the water park at no extra charge. And another quick tip I'd like to mention, we actually booked this one-night stay with points from last year's stay. That's one of the perks of joining the Great Wolf Lodge's Voyagers Club, and it's free to sign up. So I encourage you to make sure that you create an account and sign up for the Voyagers Club before you book your next stay at the lodge so that you get credit and earn points towards future stays. So I have laid out everything that we're taking, and I have laid this out strategically. So let's start with the day of. So right here are our travel day outfits. We will be wearing our swimsuits to the lodge so we can go to the water park right away and start enjoying that before our room is ready. So these will not be packed in our bags. These are my daughter and I's travel day outfits and my travel day shoes. Next, I have laid out our pool bag and the things that we will need in our pool bag. We are taking these awesome phone waterproof cases so we can take pictures and videos at the water park if we want to. And then I'll have my wallet in this bag for check-in, some water, diapers, and wipes, and some flip-flops to wear in the water park. This is also the bag that we can put the clothes over our swimsuits into once we're in the water park ready to swim. Highly recommend planning to take a first day water park bag so that you and your pack can get started having fun while you're waiting for your room to get ready. Next, we have our snacks. We love to bring snacks for the hotel room anytime we're on, vacation or a little mini trip. And I'm just gonna throw them all in one of these reusable grocery sacks so we can easily take that to our room. I do want a quick shout out Thrive Market. All of these snacks were ordered off Thrive Market. I did a recent unboxing video. I'll link below for you if you want to check that out. I also have a link for you if you want to sign up for Thrive Market. You will get 30% off of your first order plus a free gift. It is an awesome way to find treats with a little bit higher quality ingredients and healthier ingredients at an affordable cost. Then next over here, I laid out everything that's going to go in my main bag, and I kind of laid it out in order so that stuff on this side ends up at the top of the bag, the stuff that we will need right away or first throughout our stay. So over here we have a couple nicer outfits, nice-ish outfits for our Thanksgiving dinner. And then we have our PJs for the night in the room after our dinner. And then we have swimsuits for the second day. I definitely recommend bringing more than one swimsuit if you're staying at the Great Wolf Lodge because it's never fun to put on a cold, wet swimsuit, and chances are you're going to be going to the water park more than once. So have a second swimsuit if possible. Then I have some travel home clothes or second day clothes. I will probably just wear my first travel day outfit again since this is only a 2-day stay and I won't be wearing that one for very long. Then of course we have diapers. I have our regular daytime hangout diapers and nighttime diapers for our toddler. Wipes, we're taking a pack of wipes in the pool bag, but then of course I want an extra pack of wipes. You can never have too many wipes when traveling with babies and toddlers. And then I do have all of our cords. So these are my, my phone charging cord, my watch, my headphones, but we are also bringing an HDMI to USB-C cord so we can hook up our tablet to the TV in the room and hopefully have a movie night together once we're settled in the room for the night. And then I have toiletries bag. This has both my toiletries and my daughter's toiletries. And then bringing a hair straightener just in case I have time to straighten my hair before our Thanksgiving dinner. We'll see. Also gonna bring our toddler's favorite blanket right now that she sleeps with every night, hoping that will help her sleep just as well at the hotel as she does here at home. And then a couple toys for our toddler for the room when we're hanging out. Of course, we have her baby doll, her little Moana and Maui set. And then we have been there to Great Wolf Lodge before, as I mentioned, so we're gonna just take her ears again. They do give you a free pair every stay, but we already have some, so we do not need another one. And not shown in this video is my husband's stuff, but he'll follow this kind of same outline of having a nice-ish Thanksgiving meal outfit, swimsuits, comfy clothes, and he just packs way quicker than I do, so he'll toss all of that in a bag probably right before we leave, and we'll be ready to go. I'll have my Great Wolf Lodge playlist linked in the description of this video if you want to check out more tips, tricks, reviews, and our travel vlog from last year. As I mentioned earlier in the video, stay tuned. We will be filming a whole new vlog for this trip, plus a new room tour video since we're staying in a different type of room this year. So be sure you subscribe. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!